Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the mic problem in your device Vivo Y01. Before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you're having any issue related to the mic for the calls or for recordings in your device Vivo Y01, you can solve this by the method that I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the mic problem in your device Vivo Y01. Let's watch the video and learn about it.